Woodpecker, chief sitter speaking.
This is Mrs. J.P. Moneybelt. I would like a babysitter for the evening. I will pay $50.
$50? I'll be right over. Here I am, at your service. Where's the little baby? Ah! Kitty, kitty, kitty. That's a nice baby. Kitty, kitty.
No, that's Mr. Moneybelt. The baby's over there. Now, if the baby cries, you...
Yeah, I know. Goodbye. Have a good time. Okay, don't worry. Goodbye. $50. Sandwiches, Cokes, candy, and TV. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy went wee. A gorilla? Whoa, not me. For $50. What a burp! Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in a pot, 9 days old. Watch this. Here, fun. This ought to put him to sleep. Is this worth the $50? Yeah! Go to sleep, my baby, la-dum-da-da-dee-da-dum-da-da-doo. Candy. Yum. Now. Asleep at last.
We interrupt our Western picture to give you the latest news flashes. Departing tonight on a 20-year trek into darkest Africa are the two noted big game hunters, Mr. and Mrs. J.P. Moneybelt.
My $50.